Lily was a bright and curious girl. She had rosy cheeks and bright blue eyes. She loved to play in the garden. One sunny afternoon, Lily was playing hide and seek. She peeked behind a large oak tree. There she saw a tiny glowing door. The door was so small. Lily had to kneel to see it. It shimmered and sparkled. It seemed to beckon her closer. Lily was a little afraid, but she was also very curious. She reached out and touched the door. As soon as Lily touched the door, it swung open. A rush of warm air greeted her. Beyond the door was a shimmering tunnel. Lily hesitated for a moment. Then she took a deep breath and stepped inside. The tunnel was full of swirling colours. It sparkled and shimmered around her. Lily felt like she was walking through a rainbow. The air smelled of honeysuckle and sunshine. Lily walked for what seemed like hours. She wasn't sure how long it really was. Finally, she saw a light at the end of the tunnel. She ran towards it, eager to see what was on the other side. Lily emerged into a beautiful meadow. The meadow was bathed in a warm golden light. Colourful flowers bloomed everywhere. Strange and wonderful plants swayed in the breeze. This was the magical hollow. It was the most beautiful place Lily had ever seen. Little creatures peeked out from behind the flowers. They had friendly smiles on their faces. Lily laughed in delight. She couldn't wait to explore this magical place. Suddenly, a little squirrel scurried towards Lily. "Hello," he squeaked. "I'm Finn. Welcome to Magical Hollow." Lily smiled at the friendly squirrel. "Hello, Finn," she said. "It's lovely to meet you." Finn's face grew serious. "Something terrible has happened," he whispered. "Our glowstone is missing. Without it, the magical hollow will grow dark and cold." Lily gasped. "The glowstone? What's that?" she asked. Finn pointed to the centre of the meadow. There, in the middle of a ring of mushrooms, was an empty pedestal. "The glowstone is a magical stone," Finn explained. "It gives light and warmth to our entire land."